In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Jira issues with comments. Exporting issues along with their comments can be incredibly useful, especially when you need to report on project progress, collaborate with others outside of Jira, or simply back up your data. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you have all the necessary information to complete this task efficiently. Firstly, make sure you've logged into your Jira account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Jira dashboard. From this dashboard, you're going to head over to the Your Work section. This is typically located on the top navigation menu of Jira. The Your Work section is specifically designed to provide quick access to items you've been working on or are actively involved with, making it central for productivity. Next, we'll move on to the Filters feature. Click on Filters in the main menu. This option allows you to create, manage, and customize searches based on specific criteria, which is essential for zeroing in on the exact issues you want to export. If you're dealing with a lot of data, filters can really help you to streamline and organize your search efficiently. Once you access filters, you'll want to select View All Issues. This option is perfect for getting a full view of all the issues that have been logged within your projects, thus allowing you to make a more informed decision about which ones are pertinent for export. Remember, having a broad overview helps to avoid missing out on key issues that might not be in plain sight. With your issues list displayed, it's time to export them. Look for the export option within the View All Issues screen. The export function is an invaluable feature for getting your issues out of Jira and into a format that's easily shareable and usable outside of this environment. It's always good to ensure that your data is not just locked in one system, but can be accessed and utilized wherever it's needed. After you've clicked on export, you'll be presented with several export options. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to choose the Export CSV option. CSV, which stands for comma separated values, is a widely supported file format that's compatible with numerous applications from Excel to Google Sheets and beyond. This flexibility makes it ideal for importing the data into virtually any program where further manipulation or presentation might be needed. Once you click on Export CSV, Jira will prepare your data for download. This might take a moment, so be patient while the system processes your request. When the file is ready, your download should begin automatically. If prompted by your browser, select a location on your computer where you'd like to save the file. It might be helpful to save it in a location you can easily recall, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully exported your Jira issues with comments into a CSV file. You can now open this file using any application that supports CSV files, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, to view or manipulate the data further. An additional tip: if your exported file appears to be missing any expected data, double check your filter settings to ensure all relevant issues were selected for export. It's always a good idea to revisit your filter criteria if your output seems a bit off. Familiarizing yourself with Jira's filtering system can greatly enhance your workflow and data handling capabilities. With this new knowledge, you can easily replicate this process whenever you need to make reporting or sharing more efficient in your organization. Whether you're presenting to a team or simply keeping your documentation current, exporting Jira issues is a straightforward task that can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Thank you for watching and following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. Have a great day and happy managing.